this is just so all of you can see this. This is what the new reactor, the abandoned one, this is how huge it actually is. See? You have a whole staircase. This entire thing's abandoned. The OG lobby is right there, the first ever lobby. I'm gonna heat up the core while y'all are at it. This is the digging update, by the way.
I don't want it to dig. Let's go.
We're not going to jump down there just yet. Carrots. Give you iverson. Wait, I'm gonna reveal this whole area. Let's reveal this whole area together. I'm not jumping down the black hole just yet. Come on. Help me with this. Let's excavate this entire area out. You know, in the lore, this is actually the first ever lobby, the first ever game version plus lobby. Did you know that? According to lore, the lobby was never abandoned because that's the only thing that actually powered Animal Company. Was it down here? It was like the whole map has been powered this whole time by this bloody massive reactor, and then it went eventually a malfunction happened, causing it to go down years ago. And now we have to reactivate it. This thing's been dead for years. On cooldown. This is crazy how much detail they put in. Like, let me see it from the outside. Oh my lord, that is huge. That is massive.
Give me that rock, thank you. It crashed out on me. I'm not Red Rock. Time to go to the moon!
Hey guys, come down to the reactor area. We're trying to uncarve the whole thing and seeing what it actually looks like. We need more laser guns down here. Up surface. Is it crazy how this thing looks so far? You're right, is it crazy? Yeah, bro. This is crazy. This is the full reactor. Yeah, this is the full reactor, guys. Let's guard you out.
I'm pink.
Here, right.
My color's pink.
Oh yeah, this is for lore purposes only, by the way. Let me see how much progress you made.
My bad, Brody.
That is a lot of progress. You gotta get this pull out. Here, listen, look at me, look at me. The way you do it, flick them down on and off again like this. Like that. You see how it's doing it more and it's gonna last a lot longer?
Who looks at you?
Solid problem right here. Okay, there you are. I'll help you with this. I'm gonna see how it looks so far. Look how cool this looks, bro. The game's literally lagging because there's so many ores. That's crazy. This is never meant to be done. Wait, oh my god. Here's what the black hole area looks. Pretty cool, huh? Oh crap! That almost took me. Yo, I was looking at the black hole area. Don't go down yet. Nah, bro. I don't know. What do you think that noise was? Let's just keep digging. No, don't go down yet. Keep digging. We gotta reveal what the entire thing looks like. Damn, we don't believe me that I'm digging this. That we're digging this out by hand. We are. Y'all should be proud of us. Hey, I'll send it to the Discord for like a little reward or something. But wow. Let me try to get up here and dig. Guys, come to the new reactor map or the black hole area where you can get to the moon. Get outside of the OG lobby map, okay? Like the little mimic boss fight. Get to the second area. We're digging out the whole thing. Bring laser guns, by the way. We're almost done. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is just insane. I never imagined I'd actually see what a black hole reactor looks like inside of Animal Company.
Yo, could I get a laser gun?
Everyone, go to the reactor map right next to the mimic fight. We'll give you a free laser gun if you help us mine out the whole thing. Actually, 5 free laser guns, how about that? Because we're trying to break a record, and we're trying to, like, carve out the whole reactor area. I definitely think we broke the ore system. So yeah, but come over here and help us dig everything out for 5 free laser guns. And when I send y'all's help to the Discord, you might even get a free cosmetic that's only available to us.
Bro, guys, I'm already in the red part. Where are you?
We're in the you don't go to the red part. You actually go to the main reactor where you can jump down into the little like reactor area. We're trying to dig the whole thing out. You'll see it.
No,
It's right next to the mimic lobby.
no, I know, but it's the thing that, like, I'm already at the red, like, thing, like, the red core, or the red computer room.
Then you have to go backwards and go back up the all the way to the an area where you enter right after you open the door that involves putting the gold bananas in.
Or
I don't know how you're gonna get here, man, but just try, alright?
you mine the whole thing?
Yeah, the ore system broke so far. We're only 2 people right now. We need help, though, and we're gonna post this video to the Discord I'm making. We might get free cosmetics that are only limited to us. I need, like, a whole excavation team, though.
Wait, where even are you?
Remember that entire reactor area that is, like, barricaded in with, like, sand and everything? Go there. Because trust me, there will not be as much sand as there usually is this time.
Do we even get it?
Huh?
Because if it's not guaranteed, then I don't know, man.
You don't have to come. We're just doing this to see how it actually looks, mainly.
No, I mean, I still do that, like, can you, like, explain it more clearly where you're at?
Remember that little mimic fight area?
The tree with the mushrooms?
Yes, and remember that door you go through when you enter this massive core room?
Door?
Yeah, go through the mimic to that door in the mushroom tree area, and then you'll enter the little reactor thingy or the core part, and there will be a lot less sand than there normally is there. That's where we are.
Wait, so you're trying to find the moon map or the black hole?
No, he's trying to dig up the whole sandbox.
Why?
Because we're seeing what it actually looks like. Because have y'all ever wondered what the actual full thing looks like?
Just all box. It didn't say the good.
Well, think about it this way. They could have hit some hints in here, and it would be really cool to take a picture. And we could even, if we send this to Discord, and if it's mind-blowing to the devs, we might get our own free cosmetic. Like, I don't know, but we're just trying to do this for fun. So if y'all want, you don't have to join us. But it's going to take like 5 hours if you don't. But we're just seeing how it looks.
I'm not sure if it's guaranteed.
I know, but the whole point is to see how it looks, you know what I'm saying? Besides, the ore system that spawns ores completely broke already, considering the fact that there's no sand here anymore.
Guys, I don't know where I'm at. I'm already at like where you go with it.
You're already where?
Come with you?
I'm at the boss room. Am I supposed to hear?
Defeat the boss, go underneath, and then just someone defeat the boss, and then go to the little OG map thingy that's right underneath it.
Or I can just glitch with my tool.
Yeah, do that, and we're in that room that you that the door leads to.
Okay, I mean I'll try my best, I guess.
You hear that, Red? We're getting help.
Wait, but am I supposed to like fight off every single mimic?
You have to put bananas in that little pedestal thingy that you see in the little containers. You can dump them in and they'll disappear. Put enough in to where the door unlocks, and then just jump down. Like you'll see a little bridge thingy that leads to a lever. Just jump off the bridge.
Whoever said they were trying to finish the... I'm helping.
Yeah, just come down here. I prefer laser guns because they work the best.
Can you give me one? Yo, whoever said they have the laser gun, can you give me one? Yo, whoever said they have a laser gun, can you give me one?
Ready, man?
Guys,
It's starting to
let's
get
go dig!
crazy.
Let's start digging.
Oh my god, I did not imagine that there was a regeneration system for this. It's not even finished! Hey guys! They didn't expect everyone to dig everything out, so we were seeing some parts of this map unfinished. Like some of the pillars aren't even connected.
Oh, you're talking about South Park?
Yeah, about that part where the pillars, some of them are not even connected to the full thing yet. That's funny, right? They thought that no one would even bother or dare to carve out everything, but we're doing it, and we're finding some things unfinished.
Oh, I coughed.
Yo, I'm digging
Wait, are the servers up there lagging because of how much we've carved?
Where are you?
Remember that little door? Like, remember that mushroom tree and you go through the door? We're in that area that you, like, and when you jump down to that first ever area where you jump down that little cyan hole thingy, we're right there.
Is this the OG map? Yo, the OG map?
Yeah, like the one with the little mushroom tree, the OG map.
Like where you go ski down?
Yeah, like with that little key door thingy, but you have to put bananas in that pedestal. We're right through that area. And remember that where you have to jump down after going through the door? We're right there at that little bottom area.
Okay, I'm coming. What are you trying to do?
Like I said, we're trying to carve out the whole area, because remember how it's buried? We're unburying it, basically, and we've made so much progress.
I'm at the snowboard.
Oh my god, we're doing it. Holy Lord, that is the only chunk left, bro. This is the only chunk that's literally left. We've actually done it. Never mind, guys, don't come down here. We're literally almost done. We have one chunk of sandbox left, and it's all gone. Yeah, as you can see, Animal Company, no mods. It is possible, but it takes a heck of a long time. I'll just send y'all the video, but if I can. But this video is like an hour long, I'm supposing. Come on, curve you out. Red, are you coming?
The OG map. Why do I see something?
Thank you, Red. I think it's so funny how they actually thought no one would carve all this out. No way. god. Thank you, Red. Red, let's finish this piece together, my friend. This is the last ever piece. Let's finish it. Let's do it. Oh, guys, the entire sandbox in the second area is carved out. This looks crazy. Like, I never expected us to actually finish this, but we did it. It took us an hour, but we carved out the whole separate reactor area from the new update. We carved the entire thing out with our own bare hands. I'm so happy to say that now. Red, are you happy? Okay. Red, come here. Where are you, Red? Red, come here. We're gonna see what the entire thing actually looks like. Are you ready? We're about to see it. Oh my god. This is okay, guys, if y'all did not know though, Red, salute. With the OG map on our side and everything. We did it. What do you want to do first while we're seeing this, bro? We have to record this and send it to everybody. This is crazy. The fact that we... Oh! Okay, guys, as you can tell, our mineral generation's going crazy, so you can actually see how that works now. Come up here. That's weird. So I guess there used to be a plug no into there. But guys, this is in fact what the whole map looks like carved out. Yo guys, we actually just carved out a full-scale reactor core. This is crazy. As you can see, it's a triangle for some reason. The OG map's right up there, the first lobby. This is powering it, I suppose. But guys, we did it. That was a really long video. We managed to carve out the whole reactor. I'm not going to edit this because I'm probably going to be already tired enough. But guys, this is what it actually looks like. This is what the actual thing looks like. I never expected them to put this much work into this update. But guys, this is one of the most, indeed, craziest things that anyone's ever done inside of Animal Company. One of the most breathtaking, time-taking, and hourless expedition. I think me and Red might have just broken a record. Stop dancing with laser guns, Red. Come on, you hit me twice. Here's my payback. There you go. Anyways. Hey, chill. Wait, it actually... Yo, should we do it? I don't know, bro. This is crazy. 1 second. I'm